Hello, back in the workshop. When you last seen from memory, headlight wasn't working. I've since diagnosed it off camera. Believe it's this. So bought a new one, put it in. Well, going to put it in and let's see if it works. So only a few screws, put it back in, and fingers crossed might work. So yeah, see how we get on. Relatively easy fix, or to change it, just them 3 screws, Torx bits, and let's all plug it in and see if we've been lucky. Right, what I've done, I've just connected it all back up. Where is it? It's just there. Just need to do the screws, but I want to just check it works before. So eagle-eyed will remember it was this one that didn't work. I've changed everything, what gubbins in this one to that one, from that one to this one, so this one does work now. We need to make sure that that one works. So prop you up and we'll check that out. I've never been genuinely more happy that 2 light bulbs now work. Just a pain. I thought it was going to be something, I don't know, maybe a wiring loom or something, because when I got the box at the car, this fuse box were off, so it looked like someone had been doing some diagnostics. I thought we're in for a bit of a treat. But yeah, means I can now daily drive it, so looking forward to that. While the bumper's off, these headlights are, you can see how cloudy they are. You might not be able to, you might just see how cloudy they are. Clio headlights are prone for it. I did my old Clio twice because I've got 2 different sets of headlights. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to restore these, do you a bit of a how-to. There's many different ways of doing the restoration of the headlights, but this is just the one that I do using bits I've sort of got laying around. But yeah, I'll talk you through it, and it's quite a nice modification, or a nice little bit to do on your car, make it look brand new. Right, so what I'm going to use is some warm soapy water, sandpaper. I've got it's wet and dry paper. I've got 1200 grit. Ideally I'd like something a bit finer, but that would best I could find. And then in here we've got machine polisher, some pads and some polishing compound. All you do, sand headlights down until you get rid of all this and polish it up. It is that simple. Would like to say ideally I'd like to mask that up, but can't find any masking tape, so you know what we're going to do. So yeah, on with that, see how we get on. Right, you'll now see it's all like sanded, and you can't see any like blemishes. It's all nice. So then you machine polish it, put a bit of compound on your pad, nice and slow, and it'll bring them up to a nice good shine. Right, so after that, nice new clean cloth, give it a wipe, it should come up real nice. So there you go, and compare it to the other side. miles better. Just got to repeat it on the other side, and the car will look really nice. Well happy with that. Looks right nice. You can actually see me in it. Reflection. So yeah, pretty happy with that. It's nice. It were a few bits I'd laying about. I've had machine polish for ages, and sandpaper. It's like you can get packed from Alfred's if you ain't got any in. I believe that they do like a hand polish kit like Maguire's or someone like that. It probably works exactly the same. I heard toothpaste also works, but I've not tried that. But that's how I'd restore it. And yeah, they come up pretty good. So I'm gonna put the front bumper grill back on. I've got some clips for the front grill, so it actually looks OE instead of some random screws. And yeah, it'll take some years off the car, and then we'll see what else we get up to. Right, front bumper's back on. It looks pretty tidy. I also took off, if you remember, there was some tape and French flags on the grille. Don't like that shit. But yeah, it looks pretty nice now that the front bumper's on. Looks pretty good. Happy with that. Got a couple of bits to crack on with. I'm going to wrap the parcel shelf. Found some stuff to wrap it in, so I'll just wrap it, just make it nice and tidy without them holes in, just as I'm rocking it as a daily. I'm going to do that, swap tyres front to back, and then depending on the weather and if I've got daylight, I'm going to just give the car a bit of a clean. Nothing special, just a wash and a wipe over with a bit of quick wax, something like that. So yeah, we'll see how we get on now. Right, we're going to move on to some next level bodging right now. Parcel shelf, it had 6x9 holes in it. Hasn't now, so I found in a stash when I did a stealth shelf many years ago some of the acoustic covering. I'm going to cover the parcel shelf in that just to get rid of 6x9s. It's just to tidy it up. Obviously it'll get stripped out at some point, but just nice little thing to do. So bit of spray adhesive. I've got like a third of a can, so I'm hoping there's enough. Wallop it on top and trim. Right, one parcel shelf done. Looks pretty cool. Pretty happy with that. It'll do. So I'll put that in car and see how it looks. Right, got the parcel shelf in. It is missing some strings, but by the by. Don't know if you'll be able to see it. Let me get a torch. It's looking pretty mega, pretty stoked. So there we go. Properly happy with that. That's not lights bright. It looks pretty good. I'm Really want to get a wash, but it's sort of spitting outside and it's getting dark. I've just got the wheels changed front to back, and then I'm going to enjoy it. I'm not going to video changing some wheels because I've done that 1,000 times. And if you don't know how to change wheels, there's something wrong. So yeah, I'll probably end this video here. I don't think it's particularly long. Just some tidy up bits on the Clio. It is now up Black Friday sales and what have you are on. So I'll order various bits and we'll see what I end up with. So should be making moves soon, and hopefully we'll be enjoying the car. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers guys.